The X431 PRO3S Plus Elite Scan Tool stands out as a professional-grade tablet scanner that handles full system diagnostics on modern vehicles, from engine and transmission to safety and body electronics. Its bi-directional controls and advanced electronic control unit coding let you test components in real time and tailor vehicle functions after repairs or upgrades, which is a major advantage for serious technicians. The built-in topology view makes it far easier to see how modules are linked and where trouble codes sit in the network, so you can trace complex faults without wasting time. Support for protocols such as J2534, CAN-FD, and DOP, along with the SmartLink interface, means it can work with newer platforms and factory-style programming workflows that many basic scanners simply cannot touch. Coverage that spans passenger cars, new energy vehicles, and heavy-duty trucks, plus compatibility with add-on modules like tire pressure tools and oscilloscopes, turns this into a flexible shop hub rather than a single-purpose gadget. Fast hardware, a large rugged display that stays readable in bright light, and multi-year software updates make the X431 PRO3S Plus Elite a dependable long-term investment for a busy workshop.